Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on the Nokia T21. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Now look for Security tab. Here we can find the screen lock, face unlock or smart lock. Let's see the screen lock. There's swipe, pattern, pin and password or none. And I think this device doesn't have it. Let's try to find it in a search, but probably we won't be able to use it. So as you can see, there's no fingerprint on a sensor on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.